Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Steam account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. And if you wish to add any friends to your Steam account, then simply click on the Friends and Chat menu at the bottom right corner. Now from here, alongside the Friends option, click on the plus icon. This will then take you into the Friends section. Now, if you have the friend code of your friend that you wish to add, you can simply type in this code within the given box. And you can also type in their profile name within the profile name box underneath in order to search for their user ID. Once you find the person that you are looking for, click on the Add as Friend option. And this will now send a friend request to this person on their Steam account. And after this person has accepted your friend request, you will become friends with this user on Steam right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your Steam account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.